Hello everyone. So I want to take you through the website for the Technology Association, Student Association, TSA. I want to show you a little bit of information regarding that organization and how you can use this website to find out more and help you in this class as we go through mini projects that are coming directly from this website. So if you go up to the top left here, there is a series of tabs that tell you the history of TSA and information that might be interesting to you if you want to learn more about TSA as an organization. We will cover this more in class as we dive deeper into the projects and the competitions that we plan. But for now, if you want to take a look around, it has the history, mission, facts, bylaws, all things that are very important. If you come over to the next tab, this is the membership tab. This is information regarding what you will be doing and why you should join TSA. If we click on one of these links here, why join TSA, you will see a list of reasons that could benefit you in either middle school or high school. Some of these are to enhance technological literacy, to grow yourself as a person, and to make connections with other professionals and other students that can help you in your future career, whatever that may be. There are also scholarship opportunities that we'll get to in a little bit, but needless to say, there's many reasons to join TSA. I'm going to skip competitions for now. If you go over to the conferences tab, you will see a list of major events that are going to be happening this past year. This was the national conference took place in Washington, D.C., and that had a lot of interesting things happening in it. So if you're curious about what the organization's doing on the national level, this is a great place to look. If you come over to resources, this is a super important tab for any students interested in using any of the resources on this web page. You'll see here there's a dress code, things that you have to meet in order to compete at certain events. Scholarship opportunities, let's click on one of those because this could be, especially for the 9th graders, this could be useful since you will be going to college in just a few years. This one will provide you with $2,500. And here is a link to apply. So these are things you can look into as you get closer to thinking about college. And this is a great resource for that. Coming back to the main web page, connections. This is a great place to find out more organizations that are connected to TSA and things and people they work with. One in particular that we hope to have some fundraisers for is the American Cancer Society. Hopefully raise money for some good causes that will benefit people, because that's what this is really all about, is growing ourselves and helping out the community we live in. Coming back, probably the most important tab for this class, because many of the assignments will come directly from this. These are TSA competitions. So there's high school competitions, those are for the 9th grade students, and then the middle school competitions, that will be for the 7th and 8th graders. So if I click on middle school competitions, it will show you a list of interesting projects that have been predetermined, and these are competitions that you can compete with other schools. Some of the ones that we will explore are the CO2 dragsters, and let's see here, structural engineering right here. And if you click on themes and problems, it will actually take you to another page and give you a list of the criteria for the structural engineering problem. So this is a great place to look, and I will provide this information to you when we actually do this project. But here it is. So if you want to get a head start and see what we're going to be doing in the future, this is a link to the information about that topic. So there's just a couple things, and hopefully we will do more than just those two, but that'll get you thinking about things, and hopefully I'll be able to get feedback from you regarding maybe projects that you're most interested in. Finally, if you come over to what's new, you can actually look at the schools competing around the country that are doing the best in different categories. So if I were to look at, let's say for instance, let's do dragsters. So if we look at the schools that perform the best, here's number 1, Buffalo Creek Middle School in Florida. So I don't see any Idaho schools up there, so that's an opportunity for us to improve and maybe compete against some of these teams if we can form a group of students that are very interested and willing to compete at a very high level. So think about these things, take a look at your competition, because these are the people that you are going to want to outcompete to take first place. I don't see any Idahos represented along any of these lists, so there's a lot of opportunity for us. So that is just a little bit about the TSA website and how you can use it. There's a lot of great information here, so hopefully you will take a minute, take a look at it. We will be going through this more as our class progresses, and we'll be using a lot of the competitions from this website. So please take some time, explore this website. If you have questions, write them down. I would be happy to talk about them, and we'll have lots of opportunity to discuss these things and how it can form our class going forward. So thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.